me and Caitlin here. We're going out with a couple friends, Cole and Ashley. We're gonna try and get some lake trout on the ice. Yesterday we didn't have any luck, so there probably won't be a video on that. But today we're going out for an evening bite. Hopefully we'll have some better luck. Caitlin's driving right now. I'm getting some quick strike rigs all set up. Gonna put some smelt down there and hopefully hook onto a big one. All right, stay tuned. So we're sitting at about, what is that? 48 feet or 40.8 feet. And we're just, I got a jigging jaw jacker and we're just putting it right on bottom. What's on there, we just got like kind of an imitation minnow. And I'm bringing it just above bottom and making it kind of bounce up and down off of bottom. We just had a fish on, lost it on the way up, but we're hoping we'll hook up to another one here shortly. We just had a fish on, lost it on the way up. Okay. There you go. Nice job. Heavy? Yeah, you can drag a little. Just a little. Oh, too much. Hold on. It's only got a 10-pound test on it, so.
Oh, this one is?
Yeah. We'll make it.
Maybe we should loosen that just a little bit.
Oh, keep it tight, keep it tight. Came off? You're running at you. No, came off. Alright. Let's see if I can get this thing down there. In the perfect spot. Good eyes, Cole. Good catch on that one. I didn't hear it go off or anything.
How do you feel about your feelings?
No, it's going real good. You know, it's raining, so I haven't caught any fish.
Tech tip.
But tech tip, the bite's gonna start here in about an hour and a half. And
That's not a tech tip.
I don't know what's a tech tip.
You gotta like tell us like a tip.
Tech tip number 1: put your camera equipment in the ice shanty, otherwise it's gonna get really wet.
But mine's right here.
That's a GoPro. It's different. It's waterproof. Oh, I got a tech tip. Tech tip.
Oh, now you have one.
Tech tip number 1, the most important tech tip of all.
You already did number 1.
With what? No, I'm going back.
Oh, okay.
This is number 1. Don't bring a banana on the ice, otherwise you won't catch fish. Thanks.
Brought a banana yesterday. Whoops.
Okay, so we were fishing right around 40 foot of water, and we were using the jigging jaw jacker. And it just got like an imitation minnow on here, and it was just kind of bouncing off bottom, and we tipped it with just a hunk of smelt. But this thing just came and hammered it, and hasn't really taken a run yet. Getting a little worried that it's gonna run off once we get more closer to the top of the hole. It's oh, we're getting closer here. There it is. Okay. So let's see if we can get its head up the hole here. And Cole, you want to grab it for me?
Oh, I can probably grab its tail. It's way over here.
Yeah, I know. Let's just try and get its head up the hole here. And then we'll go from there. We'll just keep it nice and easy here. We got pretty light lines, so it makes me a little bit nervous. I'm scratching. Doesn't look like the biggest one we've caught, but whew, wants to leave. Definitely not the biggest guy, but still pretty good size there.
We can just get the head to turn in here.
Oh, it's wanting to go now. Yeah. Ooh, that was not good. I caught the ice a little there. Hold on. It's just doing like little circles, but problem is, so I'm gonna reel down to it, put my tip in the hole here. There we go. That's gonna work. That's gonna work. Hold on. You might have to get your arm wet.
Oh, I don't see it.
Looks like it's hooked pretty well, but like I said, with the light line, it's just so big. Here, take my glove off. Okay. There it is. Oh. Yeah. There it is right there. Pretty small, not the biggest one we've caught, a decent size. So I'm just gonna dip him kind of back in the water here. Try to. And we'll unhook him here quick. Oh, he wasn't hooked too hard there. All right, dip him back in. I'll bring him up one more time, and then send him back down the hole there. Not too bad, huh? That's slime.